Want to know how to create a new account in Salesforce quickly? This video will walk you through the simple steps so you can get started in no time. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, I'll show you exactly how to set up a new account in just a few minutes. Before we dive in, did you know you can try Salesforce completely free with exclusive bonuses using the link below? Stick around, because I'll give you all the details at the end. Now, let's jump into creating a new account in Salesforce. First thing you want to do is log into your Salesforce account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create one. It's simple. Just head over to Salesforce's sign up page, enter your details, and confirm your email. Once you're in, you'll be on the main Salesforce dashboard. Next thing, go to the Accounts tab. You'll find this in the top menu bar of your dashboard. This is where all your account data is stored. If you don't see the Accounts tab, you can find it by searching for it in the quick search bar or check if it's in the app launcher on the left side. Now, the third thing, click on the New button to create a new account. This is where the fun begins. A new page will open up with several fields that you need to fill in. You'll typically enter details like the account name, account type, which can be things like customer or partner, and some basic contact information. The fourth thing, make sure to fill in any other necessary fields that are relevant to your account. Salesforce will often have additional fields depending on the specific type of account you're creating. These could include things like the website, industry, or annual revenue. These details will help you manage the account more effectively later on, so don't skip them. Next thing, check the box for any additional options, like adding contacts or opportunities related to this account. This will let you link other parts of Salesforce, like contacts or deals, to this account, giving you a full view of everything related to that particular business. Now, once you've entered all the info, don't forget to save your new account by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. Your new account is now created in Salesforce, and you can start adding more details, contacts, or even tasks related to that account. Before we wrap up, remember, if you want to start using Salesforce with an exclusive extended free trial, check out the link in the description. It's a great way to explore the platform and its features with no commitment. That's all there is to creating a new account in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the link below for your exclusive trial, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips.